Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'll be discussing a very important topic related to electronics. And guys, we will talk about the many important points which will help you a lot to solve the questions based on this topic. And if you will keep on watching this video till the end, you will find it very much beneficial for yourself, because many of your doubts will get clear and you will get the clear idea about solving any such type of questions. So let's talk about all these important points now. But before that, I'm gonna let you know about the important update regarding the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription. So if you want to start attending the live classes of well-structured and well-planned courses by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus, so you can take the Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription. As soon there can be the price hike on Unacademy subscription, so you can take the subscription before there will be the price hike, and by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount. Also guys, if I'm going to talk about the Plus and the Iconic subscription, I will even show you the difference between both. If you will take the Plus subscription, you will get these benefits. Even if you will take the Iconic subscription, you will get all these benefits. So depending on which one you find more beneficial, you can take that subscription and you can take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators. So even in upcoming days, many new courses by the top educators will be starting. So if you want to join these important classes by the top educators, then you can take the Plus or the Iconic subscription. Now let's just start the discussion about the important points which we will cover up here. First thing about the operational amplifier topic you need to know is how to identify the circuit. So basically guys, operational amplifier generally we represent or we show the op-amp with this notation or the symbol. That is gonna be, there is inverting input terminal, that is negative. There is positive input terminal. This should be the straight line. Okay, I will be drawing it once again. Look at this, straight line, a kind of triangle you can say. Okay, and this is how you are just going to make it. Okay, now this is the inverting input terminal. Inverting means negative, non-inverting means positive. Okay, and other than that, there will be some saturation voltage sometimes shown to you here with plus VCC, okay, or Vset and minus Vset. So here we can write the plus 20, minus 20, plus 15, minus 15, like that, anything. Okay, that is the saturation voltage which will be shown you. Now saturation voltage means the output cannot exceed that value and the output will get saturated there. Means even sometimes for any given circuit, if you get the higher value on the output side, your answer will be just equal to the saturation voltage. Now if you will provide the input to the negative input terminal and the other one if you will just connect it to the ground. So in this case what will happen, this will be considered as the inverting amplifier. Okay, if we will talk about the next one, what is that? That's gonna be, if you will consider the input on the positive input terminal. Okay, input is there on the positive input terminal and the negative one has been grounded. So in that case what will happen, you will call it, and to make it the amplifier, one more thing we need to add here, that is we will be providing the feedback on the negative input terminal side. Here we can even have a resistance present, but a general idea first of all I'm gonna provide you. So here it's grounded, here it's input provided to this terminal, it is non-inverting terminal, and let's say the feedback has been provided on the negative input terminal side. So in that case we call it the non-inverting amplifier. This is inverting, this is non-inverting. I hope it's getting clear. Okay, the resistance can be present, the more resistance can be present, but how to identify, that's what I'm talking about right now. Other than that, you should know if the input will be provided to both the input terminals and none of them has just been grounded. So in that case we call it the differential amplifier. Now once you got to know about these things, you should know about their gain expression or how to proceed further to do any kind of simplification related to the operational amplifier circuit. I'll be giving you one example here, but other than that, if you will have any such type of circuit given to you, then you can solve it or simplify that circuit in the same way as we will be doing this one right now. This is the input voltage provided to the negative input terminal, means it's gonna be the inverting amplifier. Okay, this is V out, and here you are having the RF feedback resistance, here you are having the Rin, which is the input resistance. There is one more concept related to operational amplifier that we assume or we consider that the input terminals, okay, positive, negative, inverting, non-inverting one, inverting is the negative one and non-inverting is the positive one. They are internally connected with each other, means there you are going to consider the equal voltages at both the terminals, and that concept is known as the virtual ground concept. Now if it is grounded, the voltage at this point will be 0, so here also you will take 0 volts. Now what we will do to get the gain expression, gain means the voltage gain for any such type of circuit, you will apply the KCL here, which is the Kirchhoff's current law. As per that law, you know that the sum of currents reaching to that junction and the sum of currents leaving from that junction will be equal to each other. So leaving ones you can add together, reaching ones you can add together, and you will be finding the current equal, okay, the leaving and the reaching one. One more thing guys, this is the feedback part. Feedback means you are going to provide the feedback this way, okay, some part of output will be sending back to the input side. Also this is something you are providing the voltage, means in this case if you want to find the current along this part, final point voltage, initial point voltage upon the resistance, plus final point voltage, initial point voltage, that is V out, okay, upon the RF, equal to what? The sum of currents reaching, because there is no leaving, then 0. So in this case V out upon V input, if you have to find, you will find it will be equal to minus RF upon Rin. Just do the simplification, in one step you will be getting this. That is V output upon V input. What is this V output upon V input? This is the gain, voltage gain. So output voltage upon input voltage is minus RF upon Rin, and we call it the voltage gain, which is equal to minus RF upon Rin. In the same way you will be simplifying any such type of op-amp based question, and you will be getting the answer. If any time a capacitor will be present there, like for resistance you are just using the R, okay, for capacitor you will write its impedance as 1 upon j omega c. Omega angular frequency, C capacitance, and J works similarly as iota. When we are going to talk about any complex number, we will be having x plus iota y. Similar manner, here we will have the presence of J. In this case, what will happen? In this case, if you will be finding the gain in any given circuit where the capacitor is present, so in that case what will happen? In that case, depending on this thing, that if you will take the higher value of omega, then the gain is high, so it will be high pass filter. If at the lower value of omega the gain is high, that means it's a low pass filter. So even with the help of this concept, you can describe or define the high pass and the low pass filters, and it will make the things quite simple and easy for you. So these were some of the important concepts based on which you can expect the questions in the exam related to operational amplifier. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Also guys, if you want to start attending the live classes of the well structured and well planned courses by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription. And by taking the subscription, you will be able to take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators. Since in upcoming days, many new courses by the top educators will be starting on Unacademy Learning app. So it will help you a lot to take your preparation to the next level. One more thing guys, by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. To take the subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app, or you can search Unacademy Plus on Google directly, and you can take the Unacademy subscription and take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.